Hari Om. The last vritti is Smriti. Explained in the Sutra number 11. Anubhuta Vishaya Asampramoshaha Smriti. Again, Patanjali is defining this Smriti also. Smriti means memory. And memory is very important in our life. Rather, our life is totally dependent on memory. But Patanjali says it is also a vritti and needs to be controlled. Because if it is not controlled, it can create clash. So let us understand this aspect of memory. Whatever we experience in our life, that is all stored in our subconscious mind in the form of memory. And we always refer this memory to give some reactions and actions in our life. Because our every action depends on our previous experiences. So whatever we experience is stored, and we cannot change the memory. Because it is already experienced, it has already happened. So memory is also essential, important, and without memory we cannot survive also. That is also true. But again, that word sometimes is there. Sometimes this memory can disturb you. And that is why it needs to be controlled. Again, one more example. Maybe connected with the snake and the cobra also. Just think of, maybe at 7 o'clock in the evening, you finished some work and you are going back to your room, and you saw a cobra on the way. Definitely the fear is there. Of course, we have informed the volunteers and that cobra is caught and everything is over. The situation is over, there was no disturbance. But now this complete thing is stored in the memory. Next day, exactly at 7 o'clock, when you are going back again on the same road at the same time, then immediately the memory comes in your mind. Oh, there was cobra yesterday. But actually it was yesterday. Now no cobra is there. But just because of memory, the fear can develop. Because the time and the place is exactly same. Memory is also there. That yesterday at the same time, same place, big cobra was there. You have to do a lot of things to get rid of that. So all that may store in the memory. The next day again the memory comes in the conscious mind and says, oh, cobra. There is no cobra, but still the fear can develop, and that fear can affect the body functions. So this is the memory, because it is not controlled. Because one should say that yesterday there was cobra, today is not there, so today I should not fear. But that doesn't happen for some of the persons. Some persons control it properly, they don't get fear. But some persons get fear. Then we can see the memory of a death of our beloved person. Death has happened, the sad thing is there, we have experienced all those things. But that is stored in the memory. So whenever we remember that, again the sadness starts, so you become sad. You have to become sad afterwards. It has already happened, the thing has already happened. But many times we don't control all these things. We just remember something and we become sad. So this is disturbing our life. Memory of some accident also. Now you can just imagine many things. And how the memory is disturbing our life. When the thing had happened, the memory is stored. That time everything was there, we have suffered something, it's okay. But why we should suffer after that? There is nothing, no bad situation is there, nothing is there. Just the memory is there and that is disturbing our life. So that is why we need to control. So that is how Patanjali explains all these different vrittis. Now you would have come to know that how these vrittis are disturbing if they are not controlled. That is what he says. Vrittayaha panchatayaha klishta klishta. Vrittis are klishta, that means they create the clash when they are not controlled. And they are not creating clash when they are controlled. So the ultimate solution is to control the vrittis. And Patanjali in the beginning only told yoga chitta vritti nirodha. So now the question remains that how to control these vrittis. And this question is answered in the further sutras that we will see afterwards. Hari Om.